If you really love the spicy and the whole combination of tangy and spicy together, this is the dish for you. This color from bird eye green chili and the coriander leaves, and it just places a beautifully cooked chicken on top of the sauce. It's very intense feel of chicken and chili together. I don't say it's blowing away spicy, but I could feel the spice, and which is all cooked in a perfect marinades in tandoor until the skin is very crispy and the juice is been spread around the veins and the flesh inside. Just place it over spicy bird eye green chili sauce. It's tangy, spicy, and very crunchy too. It's worth a try, which will be available in tiffin box. Don't miss it. Thank you. Happy days.